Here's a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card, physical SIM card, okay? So on the bottom here, you have your SIM tray right here, okay? So what you want to do is grab your SIM ejection tool. You do get it out of your box. If you don't have one laying around, you can use a different SIM ejection tool from a different phone, even an iPhone. You can even use like a thin paper clip as long as it's like long and thin. So anyway, let's go ahead and take this out. I'm going to put the needle insert it into the SIM tray there, and then I'm going to press towards the phone. And then when I do that, oops, let me do it again. Let me press towards the phone. And now when I press towards the phone, that little lip comes out like a little tiny bit. You can see it right there. And I'm going to go ahead and slide this out. I'm going to leave it just like this, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my SIM card. You can only put this in one way. You can't get this wrong. So there's a diagonal slit on top right-hand side, so I got to flip this SIM card over. And looks like, okay, so it looks like the metal contacts is facing up now, okay? Now when you turn down, it shouldn't fall out. So let's go ahead and insert this. It currently says no SIM up here. You can see right there. It says no SIM, so let's insert this and let's see if it finds it. All right, oh, something's happening here. Okay, looks like I got some voice messages. Okay, so after like 10, 15 seconds, now it just changed. And now it's showing my carrier. I'm using Mint here in the United States. So now let me just, so I just logged in and it's asking me to restart. With some of the SIM cards, you may have to restart. I know with T-Mobile, you have to restart as well. So I'm just gonna restart and switch. So it's booting back up. All right, looks like it's up and running. So let me go ahead and check the settings. So let's check the mobile settings, okay? So from here, just go to your settings. So we're gonna tap on settings. And then from settings, you wanna tap on connections. And then you can see down here, we have SIM manager and mobile networks, okay? Let me tap on mobile networks first. And you can see, so they automatically put my data roaming toggled on. And you can see what they did here, preferred mode. I do have 5G. Now, everything looks good here. Let me go back here. And you can tap on your SIM manager right there. And I'm hiding my phone number. It says SIM1 there, but you can also add an eSIM as well. Anyway, we're up and running. Questions, issues, comment below.